Hello everyone. Today we are going to study curl and divergence of magnetic field. Let us start. Curl, first of all we'll study curl of magnetic field, and next to this we'll study divergence of magnetic field. Let us consider a figure is given here, and we are going to consider volume distribution of current. Let the current density at any point in this volume be vector J. This current density varies from point to point in this volume, but is time independent. That is, we can say this current density J does not change with time. And if the current density does not change with time, according to the equation of continuity, divergence of J plus d rho by dt is equal to 0. This rho is nothing but the density. So, from this equation, if divergence of J plus d rho by dt is 0, then either this equation is 0 or this is 0. That is, divergence of J is 0 or this d rho by dt is equal to 0. Okay. So, further, we consider a closed curve. See what we have shown earlier, and it encloses certain region in which current is flowing and the volume current distribution is steady. So this I is equal to J dot ds over the surface, J dot ds, where ds is the small area element of surface S. Means in any surface, if suppose this much is the surface, so somewhere a small surface in that whole surface bounded by curve C. And from Ampere's circuital law, what we have studied in earlier video, that is closed surface of B, that is magnetic field, into dl is equal to mu 0 I. So this closed surface B into dl is equal to mu 0, and we are substituting this I as surface integral of J into ds. So the equation comes out to be this. Okay. Now, according to the Stokes theorem, integral of closed curve of magnetic field B dl is equal to surface integral del cross B ds. This is from mathematics, that is Stokes theorem. So this can be substituted by the earlier equation, that is mu 0 surface integral J ds. Okay. But del cross B is what? Mu 0 J. And del cross B is nothing but curl. That is, curl of B is equal to mu 0 J. So what we can say? this curl of B is nothing but mu 0 J. So in this way we can find out the curl of magnetic field, that is nothing but del cross B is equal to mu 0 J, or simply del cross B can be represented as curl of B, which is equal to mu 0 J. Now let us study the divergence of magnetic field. We all know the line of magnetic induction B is always in the form of closed curve. And suppose if we imagine a closed curve S is in the magnetic field, then the number of lines of B entering and leaving the surface will be equal. Okay, we have simply considered a closed curve, and we had considered the magnetic field, and it is observed that the line of magnetic fields or magnetic flux, what we can say, entering and leaving the surface will be equal. So we can write this total magnetic flux through any or every closed surface is always 0. So how can we write this in terms of mathematical form? That is, the closed surface integral of B ds is 0. Okay. Now, by using this equation, which is called Gauss divergence theorem from mathematics, we can have closed surface integral of B ds is equal to volume integral of del B into dV is equal to 0, where V is the volume enclosed by the closed surface. So, what we can write? We can write volume integral del B dV is equal to 0, or we can say del B is equal to 0. So this is nothing but, this del B is nothing but the divergence of the magnetic field. So what we can say? Divergence of the magnetic field is 0. With this, I stop here. Thank you.